everyone, I am Shreya from Investor Expert and today we are here at the most talked about project of Greater Noida West. That's the VVIP address. Located in Sector 12 of Greater Noida West, this project is offering ultra luxurious 3 and 4 BHK apartments. But you stay tuned because we are going to show you the module of this project of how this is exactly planned and an ultra luxurious 4 BHK sample flat so that you can make an informed decision. Starting with the project layout, this project is divided into two phases. Phase 1 and Phase 2. The project is built on 5 acres of land. अब मैं आपको project की highlights and layout दिखाऊं, so please come here. This will be your Tower 1, Tower 2, Tower 3 and Tower 4. Tower 1 and Tower 4 में आपको मिलेंगे 2 size options. One would be 2955 square feet, which would be the road facing apartments. With that, you will get a 3600 square feet option, which would be a park facing apartment. With that, you will also get a very ultra luxurious option of 4 BHK plus study plus puja room plus lounge in Tower 2 and Tower 3. The size of that would be 4545 square feet. In दो towers में आपको मिलेंगे 2 apartments per floor with 3 lifts on every floor. And in Tower 1 and Tower 4, you will be getting 4 apartments and 4 lifts in every floor. Now coming to the basic highlights and the amenities, this would be your 25-meter road and ये होगा आपका starting point. यहाँ से आप आएंगे, entry करेंगे. This will be your 2-level basement parking. With that, you are also getting the first time in Noida Extension, guys, a box cricket stadium. So all the cricket lovers, get ready to own your home at VVIP address. With that, you also have a clubhouse. You will have all the basic amenities, जिसके लिए आपको बाहर तो बिल्कुल भी जाना नहीं पड़ेगा. You have 4 swimming pools here, in which one would be a temperature controlled swimming pool. जैसा कि हमने देखा, यहाँ पे आपको मिलेंगे total of 4 towers with G plus 32 floors and total of 350 units. Now, as promised, let me show you the sample start of a 4 BHK plus lounge plus study plus puja room, जिसका size है 4545 square feet. For the first time in Noida Extension, the developer is offering a double panel main door, जिसका height होगा आपका 9 feet with one USP, which you should know, that is यहाँ आपको मिलेगा 12 feet of ceiling height, which will make your home look very, very luxurious and spacious. Starting with the first thing, आपको यहाँ पे मिल रहा है एक servant room. This will be your servant room. You will be getting a washroom over here, and this space can be made into a study room, whatever you like. इस सर्वेंट रूम की खासियत ये है कि ये कनेक्टेड होगा हमारे 3 एंट्री पॉइंट से. एक पॉइंट होगा विच विल बी जस्ट बिफोर आवर मेन गेट. सो नाउ योर सर्वेंट्स नीड नॉट कम फ्रॉम द डाइनिंग रूम इफ दे वांट टू एंटर द हाउस. विद दैट एक गेट होगा जो हमारा मेन एंट्री गेट से कनेक्टेड है, एंड एक होगा जो अब आपका ये पूरा बैल्कनी किचन से कनेक्टेड होगी. स्टार्टिंग विद द मेन एरिया एंड द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल पार्ट ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट, ये होगा हमारा मेन हॉल. Now this can also be divided into a family lounge, which is over here, and the drawing room area, which is over here. The drawing room area would have a very, very beautiful balcony, which is over there, and उसके साथ ही आपको मिलेगा widely foldable door. So whenever you have a space, you know, for gathering or big gathering, so you'll get extra spaces for the balconies over here also. And with that, you have your dining area over here. Dining area के साथ आपको मिलेगा एक fully modular kitchen with a chimney and a very, very exciting thing which I'll just show you. Beautiful, right? With that, now let's come to the bedrooms. मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ how spacious and how luxurious the bedrooms are of this particular project. ये होगा आपका room number 1. Glass partition वाला आपको यहाँ पे washroom मिलेगा. With that, you'll also have a balcony attached to it and your almirah to store your clothing and your personal belongings. So this will be the common washroom you will be getting over here. So all your guests and the relatives, everyone who are over here at your home can use this particular washroom. Now let me show you the second room of this project. ये होगा आपका room number 2. Room number 2 में भी आपको मिलेगी एक balcony, एक attached washroom. With we have the room number 3. Room number 3 में आपको मिलेगा एक glass partition वाला washroom. With that you will also get a balcony. The best part about this project is कि आपको हर रूम में अच्छी खासी balconies मिल रही है, तो ventilation, sunlight की कोई कमी नहीं होगी. Now this will be your puja room. So you have a dedicated space for puja over here. Now coming to the main highlight of this project, that is the master bedroom. It's a very, very spacious and बहुत luxury appeal के साथ बनाया गया ये master bedroom, जहाँ पे आपको bed के साथ साथ you'll also get a study area and of course how to forget a walk-in closet. Walk-in closet के साथ साथ आपको यहाँ पे मिल रहा है एक glass partition bathroom, which is also very spacious. तो space की कमी आपको कहीं भी नहीं लगेगी इस project. And of course, जैसा कि I promised you that you'll get a balcony with every room over here. तो कोई भी balcony के लिए अब नहीं लड़ेगा because now you are at VVIP address. With that, let me also show you the beautiful balcony which they are giving for the main dining area. This can be used for co-working space also, I believe. See, you have a beautiful balcony over here. आपको काफी spacious balcony मिल रही है, which can be used for multi-purpose. So if you are a social person who loves parties, this is the perfect option for you. The fun fact is कि VVIP address में the commercial space is already sold out. And itne kam flats के लिए the bookings are happening at a very fast rate. So now you don't miss the chance of booking your dream home at VVIP address. For more information on the layout, prices, location and amenities, contact Investor Experts today on the below given number. And of course, let me tell you, they have a very beautiful payment plan for this project, which is a 25 payment plan. 25% you have to pay right now, 25 after 1.5 years. For more information on the pricing, contact Investor Experts today. That was all for today's video. We come back soon covering another exciting project. Till then, stay tuned and watch Investor Experts. Investor Expert, making home buying easy.